Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to import the image into the Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, in this video I will share you two alternatives to import the picture or the image into the project of the Krita or your blank page project into the Krita. So you can simply click new over here, and you can choose the dimensions of your, let's say for the paper or your blank page or the background to do the animation or create the photo editing. So you can choose the width or adjust the width and also the height over here, and you can choose the predefine that contains a lot of option of the paper size from this A1 until you establish it over here. And you can also adjust it to be the landscape or the portrait. And after that you can continue to click create, and this will be the section to start off put the picture over here. So you can go back to this file, and after that you can choose this import animation frame, and after that you can add the image. And for example I will choose the picture over here, for example this one, and after that you can click open and you can click OK. And after that this picture will be imported into this section. However, you'll see that the text and also the part of this picture is not fit within the background. Don't worry, because you can adjust this by clicking this transform a layer or this selection, and after that you can adjust the zoom out first like this. And after that you see that this picture has been being selected, and you can drag it in until this picture will be fit into this background. So this will be the first tip, guys. Or you can also go to the second trick by clicking this file and click open, and after that you can start to choose the picture direct. You can choose the picture directly. For example, I will choose this one, and after that this picture will be officially imported into this background or this project. And you can check it again by clicking this zoom out, and you can select this picture first, and you can make sure if this picture's already set within the pixel. However, if you use this second trick, so this picture will be the background. When you see the first here, so the background over here gonna be white like this. If you would like to directly import the picture into this section, so this picture gonna be the background. Which one do you prefer? So you can try this tip and trick, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.